Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel English Globe. Today we are going to study about personal pronoun. Let's start with a small recap. Let's see what is pronoun. A pronoun used instead of a noun. For example, I, she, he, it. And also, pronouns are used to avoid repeating nouns and also to avoid the complexity of sentence. Let's see the types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun, reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronoun, relative pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and indefinite pronoun. In this lesson, we are going to study about personal pronoun. Rest of the type of pronouns are discussed one by one in my upcoming videos. Let's see what is personal pronouns. Words used to replace a person, animal, or thing are called personal pronouns. They stand for three persons. First person refers to the person speaking, I, we. Second person refers to the person spoken, for example, you. Third person refers to the person spoken of, for example, he, she, it. There are two forms, singular and plural forms. Under singular, I, you, he, she, it, and plural, we, you, they used as a personal pronouns. You used in both singular and plural form. There are two types of personal pronouns. One is subjective, another one is objective. Before we study the subjective and objective pronouns, we already studied about the subject and object in my previous video. Those who haven't watched those videos, links are given here and also in the description box. Before starting today's lesson, please watch those videos. Let's see what is subjective pronoun. It used for subject. We already know subjects are done the action of verb. I, you, we, she, he, it, they are act as a subjective pronoun. Let's see what is objective pronoun. It used for object. We already know objects are received the action of verb. Me, you, it, us, him, her, them act as objective pronoun. Let's see the short overview. First person singular, subjective pronoun I, objective pronoun me. In second person singular, subjective pronoun you and the objective pronoun also you. In third person singular, subjective pronoun she, objective pronoun her. And also third person singular, subjective pronoun he, objective pronoun him. And third person singular, subjective pronoun it and objective pronoun also it. Then the first person plural, subjective pronoun we, objective pronoun us. In second person plural, subjective pronoun you and also the objective pronoun you. And third person plural, subjective pronoun they and the objective pronoun them. Let's see some example. Under first person singular, how I and me used as a pronoun. For example, I am a teacher. In this, I is in the position of subject, so it acts as a subjective pronoun. Next sentence, John is as good as me. In this, me is in the objective position, so it acts as objective pronoun. Under first person plural, how we and us used as a pronoun. Let's see the example. We are student. We are studying English. In this, we used as subjective pronoun because it is in the position of subject. Next, see the example. Kindly cooperate with us. In this, us in the position of object. So, it acts as objective pronoun. Let's see the second person singular and plural. How you used as a pronoun. You are kind person. In this, the you is in the position of subject. So, it is a subjective pronoun. You all are good players. In this, the you used in the subjective position. So, it acts as a subjective pronoun. It likes you. In this, you is in the position of object, so it acts as an objective pronoun. Let's see the third person singular. How she and her used as pronoun. She can play the piano. In this, she is in the position of subject, so it acts as subjective pronoun. I know her. In this, her is in the position of object, so it acts as objective pronoun. Next, see, under third person singular, how he and him used as personal pronouns. He drives a bus. In this, he in the position of subject, so it is a subjective pronoun. In next sentence, I saw him today. In this sentence, him is in the position of object, so it acts as an objective pronoun. Let's see another third person singular, how it acts as a pronoun. It is a nice place. In this, it in the position of subject, so it is a subjective pronoun. I bought it. In this, it in the position of object, so it is an objective pronoun. Under third person plural, how they and them used as personal pronoun. Let's see. They went to the park. In this, the they used in the position of subject, so it is act as a subjective pronoun. Their mother took them to the park. In this, them in the position of object, so it is objective pronoun. Let's see what are the main points of today's lesson. We are learned about subjective pronoun. Under this, the singular pronouns are I, you, he, she, it. Also plural pronouns are we, you, they. Next we learned about objective pronoun. Under singular form, me, you, her, him, it. Plural form, us, you, them. Let's finish today's lesson. I think you all are get some idea about subject and objective pronouns. Thank you for listening to today's lesson. Hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Let's join me with my next lesson. Bye.